So why don't you all give a big Fort Worth welcome to Mr. Robert Ellis.
I won't take much of your time. I just need someone to talk to that's kind. You know all my darker shades. You know everything I've kept hidden away. And whenever it seems as if nothing is going my way, you will call and it seems like you always know just what to say. There is some kind of power in the sound of your voice, and it keeps me strong.